Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol Ped, and welcome to this week's Midweek 180. Welcome to my boudoir. I am away with work this week in Riyadh in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and this is my hotel bedroom. Anyway, if you've not seen one of these before, this is my midweek update where I bring you my news, views and information about upcoming reviews, all filmed in one take. I'm going to put 180 seconds in the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and that's it. A very simple format. So without further ado, let's get cracking with this week's Midweek 180. I shall start my timer. Okay, first comment last week, someone getting it for the first time. One Blue Meanie, congratulations sir. It's always great when someone gets it for the first time, but whoever puts the first comment this week, I will give you a shout out next week. Where are you and what you're doing? I've actually got three. So Paclampet 63 was in Rotorua in New Zealand. Love that place, been there. Michael Deakin was also in Saudi Arabia. He was actually doing a refinery project in Saudi Arabia, which is very cool. And Matt 150 was in Australia. So we are reaching far and wide so far with the Midweek 180. But wherever you are right now, and whatever you're doing, give me a shout out in the comments below and I will talk about it next week. Last week's question was if you could have one car brand to drive for the rest of your life, what would it be? Clear winner was Audi, closely followed by Porsche, and then in third place BMW. But clearly we had a big range of different car manufacturers, but Audi was out and out winner on that one. This week's question comes from Eve Klein. I quite liked it. It's a bit similar actually. We want to know, what manufacturer of tyres do you have on your car, and or what's your favourite tyre manufacturer? Be really interesting to see what the mix is there. Now, new car news. I was reading about this today. This is a kind of render of what the new Ford Focus ST may well look like. There's some spy shots there from Autocar as well. So this is due next year. Only a few things known about it. Now, the new Focus body is about 88 kilos lighter than the old one. Performance figures expecting to be north of 250 horsepower, so more than the current ST, so maybe around 275 bhp to put it in line with the kind of Hyundai i30N, Megane RS kind of competitors, if you like. Probably going to be powered by the 2.3 litre. I was reading it's unlikely they're going to get enough bhp out of the 1.5 litre EcoBoost. Front wheel drive. Should be an interesting car. I've driven the new one. It's a very, very good car. It just needs the kind of either ST line trim or the full ST. And then F1, what a race from Brazil. Now, I thought it had everything as a race, but I cannot not comment around or about the Max Vestappen Esteban Ocon incident. I would love to know what your thoughts are. My thoughts are Ocon was clearly quite within his rights to try and retake himself or unlap himself. And I don't think he was that much at fault. And for me, Max Verstappen should have just given him more room. He had nothing to lose. There was no point fighting. I'd love to know if the kind of history between them was there. You know, Esteban Ocon beat Max Verstappen the last time they raced in the same formula quite considerably, and maybe there's a bit of bad feeling about what's going on. But yeah, interesting. Mercedes world champions, congratulations to them. And only one round left in Abu Dhabi, which is next weekend. And this Friday's video at 6 is the McLaren 600LT. I looked down at my timer and realised I was running out of time. But yeah, what an F1 race it was this week. But yeah, put in the comments below what your thoughts are about the Verstappen-Ocon incident. I'd love to know. This Friday's video at 6 o'clock, I was very lucky when I was shooting my Rolls-Royce Cullinan video a couple of weeks ago to get exclusive access to a McLaren 600LT. So I take you around the car inside and out. We have a really good look at it. And then I was thrown the keys to a McLaren 570S Spider and was allowed to take that for a bit of a drive. So I thought you'd like to come along for the ride on that one. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have done so, please give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol Ped for plenty more content to come. And from my boudoir here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, I'll see you on the next film, guys. But you take care. Drive safe.